I'm Ingrid Friel with Better Homes and Gardens, and my friend Dan with TCF Home Loans came in today to talk to me a little bit about first-time buying. Can you tell me how I can find out what my credit score is?
The best opportunity is to meet with a mortgage loan officer like myself. They're going to offer the best opportunity to run through your credit. The scoring system is a little bit different for a mortgage versus, say, a credit card. So meeting with a mortgage professional is your best opportunity there.
Great. Well, I'm glad I'm here, Dan. Well, so we've run my credit score, and I got my number back. What does the number mean?
Well, it means a lot of different things, but it's going to affect your interest rate, if you need mortgage insurance, homeowners insurance. A credit score is very important in the process, and it could limit also the number of different products that are available for you when purchasing a home. Okay. So it's one of the first things you want to definitely check out during the process.
Okay, Dan, I'm a numbers person. I love numbers. Can we talk specific numbers? Are there certain maybe great numbers you want to get when you get your credit score back, and maybe others you might want to say, hey Dan, what should I do about this number? What are the numbers?
We all want to strive for being in the low 800s is kind of the maximum with the three credit bureaus. But you know that going out into the 500s, you definitely could be offered credit for a mortgage. Okay. Different lenders have different qualification minimums, but a common one is 580.
For a threshold?
Yeah, for a threshold. Okay. The higher, the better. FHA, a lot of times in the upper 500s is kind of your minimum. 680 is a key number if you're going to need mortgage insurance for a conventional financing. That really gets you a much better premium when shopping for mortgage insurance. So anything in the 700s you're going to be pretty good with, but ultimately the higher the score, the lower the interest rate, and better premiums on other things too.
Great. So my credit score is in my control.
Very much so.
Yeah. How does it change? Like how do I get to a 700, or how does it end up getting impacted negatively?
One of the biggest things that changes from month to month is actually your credit card balances. So a lot of people think, well, if I don't have a late payment, then my credit score should be good. That's definitely the case, but having a higher balance compared to your limit is a big way for the credit score to drop from month to month. So when meeting with a mortgage loan officer, checking to see what those balances are, and maybe if you're a few months away or longer from purchasing a home, getting those balances down can have a large impact quickly on what your credit score would be. So, and that affects your pocketbook for years to come. Yeah. And it's definitely something to discuss with a loan officer.
Super helpful. Yeah, credit cards are a good and a bad thing for all of us. Dan, I've always wondered, in my wallet, how many credit cards should I have? Like, what's a good number of credit cards to have? Is there a recommendation you have?
I would recommend 2 to 4. Having some extra options in case even a outlet doesn't offer or take a certain card. You need to have a backup plan. But having 10 is not a good idea. I think you open yourself up to forgetting about one. Or identity theft, and having a couple that you really pin down and know what your balances are, know what the limits are on those cards, is going to be the best plan for your credit score.
Great information, Dan, with TCF Home Loans. Thanks for coming over today.
Thank you.